Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the tire pressure monitor system, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, for the tire pressure monitor system, which fuses and relays we need to check, we will demonstrate on this generation here, Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban. Both of these vehicles are built on the same platform. The main difference is the Suburban is longer than the Tahoe, so it should apply to both. And quick reminder, there is 5 different fuse boxes all over, hidden in the SUV, that most people do not know where they're located, but that's perfectly fine guys. That's why we made a special video to help you out. It will be on our YouTube channel. It's called Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban fuse box location and diagram. Go ahead, open the passenger door. When you guys do that now, okay, the driver door, excuse me, on the side of the dash here you have one cover. Pry that cover open. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here guys, for the TPMS system, there is very limited information about the TPMS fuses. Usually those are not separate fuses to where you can just go ahead and pull them. Why? Because it's a safety feature, just kind of like airbags, so you must have those. And they made it to where a few different systems will work together, okay, and there will be a few different fuses. There is very limited information, but some of the fuses that we'll recommend to check is the BCM fuses, where they're located. First, okay, we're going to zoom in here and you will need to check fuse number 10, fuse number 11, these two fuses here. Then you need to check fuse number 19. After that you need to come to the passenger side and you need to do the same thing. Pry that cover open. There is another fuse box there that's almost identical. Let's zoom in a little bit, and here guys, okay, we will need to check specifically fuse number 13, again fuse number 19 right here, fuse number 38, fuse number 46 and 47 will need to be checked as well. Now other fuses that you may need to check guys are for the ABS and traction control module, ABS module or traction control module. Check these fuses because sometimes it could be part of that as well. It's really complicated, but usually if you have problems with a fuse related to the TPMS module, it means that something else will not work because the fuse is for something else as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful guys. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.